Welcome back. Now to start the process of transcribing audio, you're going to want to first go to the profile of the individual whose audio you're going to be transcribing. So to do that, you're going to go to the profile. You're then going to go to the open user profile. You're then going to want to go to the person whose audio you're going to be transcribing. You're then going to click open. Then that individual's audio is then going to be open. Dragon will then load that user profile, and once the red button is on, then the new profile will then be loaded. What you'll then want to do is to go to this Tools button. You'll then go to Transcribe Recording. What you'll do then is you'll find the audio file. What you'll then want to do is to make sure that you determine where you want the text file to go. Now the file is going to save as a rich text file, which will also open in Microsoft Word as well as Google Docs. You're then going to click Save. Now you can choose to automatically add commas and periods, or you can choose to go back and edit that yourself. What you're going to do now is you're then going to click the Transcribe button. And then Dragon will start that process. And then you'll see the transcribing dialog box. So now that the transcription is complete, you can choose where to open the file. And your transcription is now complete. You're now going to want to go through and edit your document. And with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.